By combining the tough performance of a Range Rover with the premium features of a high-end motorhome, the 2026 Range Rover Truck VIP Motorhome is the ultimate luxury travel vehicle. It is the ultimate luxury travel vehicle. This exclusive VIP model reimagines what it means to travel in luxury by catering to the needs of high-end travelers who place a premium on comfort, style, and the flexibility to travel off-road. Principal characteristics: luxurious exterior styling. This motorhome has a striking and sophisticated appearance, and it has a commanding presence on the road. It was constructed on a chassis that was converted from a Range Rover truck. A high-clearance body, an extended living module, special alloy wheels, and a panoramic sunroof are all included in this package. A powerful display of action. Because it is outfitted with a high-output hybrid or V8 engine, the automobile is designed to be used for both cruising on the highway and going off-road activities. In any setting, a ride that is both smooth and capable is guaranteed by the presence of advanced terrain response systems and air suspension. An exclusive interior for VIPs. Stepping inside will allow you to experience a magnificent and private lounge ambiance that includes Italian leather seating that is equipped with massage and reclining functions. There is a fold-out queen-size bed, a minibar with a wine cooler, a high-end kitchen with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and sink, and a marble-finished bathroom with a rainfall shower and a smart toilet. Custom wood paneling and ambient LED lighting are also available. Developments in technology. The following features are included in the 2026 VIP Motorhome: 5G connectivity and satellite internet, 65-inch 4K entertainment screen with surround sound, smart house integration for lighting, temperature, and security, solar panels with lithium battery storage, remote control via smartphone and an onboard artificial intelligence assistant, confidentiality and security in a discreet manner. It is equipped with bullet-resistant windows, biometric locks, outside security cameras, and blackout privacy glass, all of which are designed specifically for high-profile individuals. The 2026 Range Rover Truck VIP Motorhome is a 5-star suite on wheels that offers the ideal combination of strength, refinement, and smart living. It may be utilized for traveling across the country or for getting away from it all.